Alright guys, here's my Apple TV setup. As you can see over here in the glove box, I have an Apple TV and a router. Nothing too advanced, pretty simple. Part of this is shot from an iPad, but just switch over to auxiliary, where it's at, and then from the iPhone, just hit AirPlay, Apple TV, and it'll start playing. This is from iTunes Radio, but you can easily do your songs on here as well. Or, if I wanted, I could go into videos. Plays. And you can even use the iPhone at the same time. Or, if you wanted, go back to Apple TV, hit mirrored, and then it'll show the phone's display on the radio. So then I could use an app like Waze. And let's just have it take me, well, last place.
Let's go.
And then you have navigation on the radio. And you can also still do music. I believe you have to do it from a radio though. Can't do a video. So. And back to Waze. So you can do both as well. Or if you don't like that app, go to another one. And stupid simple, do satellite. So, as you can see, no problems. Everything works pretty much flawlessly. Any questions, just let me know, guys. Thank you.